Hi guys, welcome to Disraga channel. So who will be watching this video first time, please like and share, subscribe our channel here. So guys, today I'm discuss topic about that video action campaign. So lot of people ask one question. So what is the video action campaign? How will we create? So first of all, the ad will be create two position, video discover and in-stream ads. Video discover and in-stream ads that will be showing for skippable in-stream and video discovery ads. So how will be creating for this particular video action campaign? Now we can go to the steps. First you can go to the Google AdWords, select a campaign option. In a select a campaign option, first of all we can certain goals are there, sales, lead and website traffic, add, consideration and awareness. So in this one, I'm selecting option will be here. Here, coming to this option, awareness, video. They're showing every option here. But our option will be called sale purpose and lead generation and website traffic. The video action campaign, the suitable for sales, lead generation and website traffic, where the campaign name is called video campaign. Option will be drive conversion. If you go discovery, will be different. Get clicks your website from customer most likely make a purchase with visually rich personalized ads that is a show across YouTube, Gmail, Discover and more. So in this, I'm creating for video action campaign nothing but drive conversion. Get more conversion with video ads designed to encourage valuable interaction with your business. So what I'm selecting website traffic. But suppose I have to go for leads. Select leads, video and discovery. Continue it. Steps are very easy. Follow the each and every steps. First campaign. So we can writing for I can writing my campaign. Here the campaign bid strategy depend on two options, maximum conversion, target CPA. So I'm not give the action. I'm looking for leads. Leads nothing but conversion. The conversion will be bidding strategy is not valuable way because subtitle all the goal campaign. They're not showing for CPV and CPM, everything not. They will be only useful by the conversion. Maximum leads which will be generate. After the create ad, how to show customer, I will show here. In this, the budget selection will be two types. Daily budget, campaign total. Daily budget will be start. We can go with the 500 is the best price. Go with 500. Getting leads will be increased for in this. Estimation are not available for ad group with the responsive ad group type. So they will be creating the particular option. After that, here, so you can say daily budget is 500. So what is the important key point for start date and end date? In the purpose, suppose you not mention end date, you can run this ad anytime. You can mention end date. The certain time the campaign will be finished, you can create the another campaign. So same campaign can run future. So go with the don't mention for end date. After that, major important for which network the video will be played to customers. YouTube videos, video partner and display networks. That is MKA for video discover ad. So where you can play the video, they're showing some ad. They will be showing for YouTube. There's a skippable in-stream ads. So there is a two option. Video action campaign use only for skippable in-stream video discovery format. Video discovery will be click. They're showing for particular search on the video onto the YouTube formats. Next, select location. You can target by local target or country wise or all countries. So I'm into the targeting for my local audience. That is only for Hyderabad. In Hyderabad, we can go to specific. Suppose in India, we can go to specific Mumbai or Kerala. We can target any locations. There is no worry about that. Every location we can target. So I'm selecting Hyderabad. So you can select in one location Hyderabad. So can I go for Mumbai? Happy to you can selecting for Mumbai also. Targeting by Mumbai also. You can selecting for multiple places. You will selecting for multiple places. Now come down here, language selection. I'm selecting for English, Hindi, Telugu. So automatically will be select your campaign. Based on the previous campaign, this feature will always selecting for our language. Here one more feature is there. The feature is called you can selecting for all languages. But I can specific only for three languages, English, Hindi and Telugu. So inventory standard, no need to touch this option. And site extension, anything extension will be given by like your page or anything, you can give the site link extension. Ad group, always we can using for standard, create skippable in-stream ad. Responsive, create video ads that can be shown as multiple formats. So obviously, which one we can go for? Suppose I'm go for standard, simple. We can go this option. They give impression. We'll go for responsive. Create video ads that can show as multiple format. So which we can go only skippable video we can select or multiple format. Obviously selecting for multiple format. So I can go which one? Responsive. In the ad group type, which we can select, the option will be select responsive. After that, selecting for ad group. So when people asking one question, sir, in a create a campaign, I'll always selecting for campaign, ad group, and ads. What is that? In any Google AdWords, there is a three steps. First one, campaign structure. You can add the daily budget, location, and languages. Ad group, we can target audience, age, keyword, topic, placement. That all will be ad group. So where we can creating ad, last one. So you can creating YouTube ad, text ad, anything is a ad format. Each ad will be different formats are there. Each ad will be different format. So the format is called, three steps will be common: campaign, ad group, ad. So which type will be change? Ad will be changing always. Search will be text, display will be image, and app will be mobile. And coming to the video will be video, nothing but YouTube. Last will be shopping, nothing but sales. After that, selecting for age people. So I can target up to 44 years. Everything is common. Audience selection. Any specific audience you can select and no, go for the not any kind of specific audience. Keyword. If you are go any kind of specific keywords, I can video will be popular for anywhere. And topics. Any specific topic you can select. I can promote any kind of peoples to show my particular the economic option. Placement. This is the very important for video marketing. So your specific any one video, we can show any showing for any particular YouTube channel, particular YouTube videos, and video lineup, any particular website, apps, app categories. Your video, we have to show certain channels, like any kind of channels. Is a popular trending YouTube in a first. I can show that video into my ad. Go for the YouTube video. I can show my video into particular one channel. Go for promoting for your complete videos on the particular channel. The channel always trend. We can show your videos on the particular channel. Video lineups, line nothing but your particular categories, action film. Yeah, so a lot of things are there. Next will be website. So we can promoting for website placement suggestion. So where you can show your ads and apps. Apps will be you can selecting will be particular apps and show your ad will be the particular apps also. This will be app categories. Window app, Google Play and App Store applications. Anything will be possible. Show your video the particular placement. But suppose I have to show my video only for one channel. Selecting channel. I can show my video only for particular one video. Go for video option in this. So I don't targeting the particular one video here. I'm selecting video will be here. Open it. Here we can add the URL. There is a YouTube URL, you can add it. After YouTube ID, we can using for question mark sub underscore confirmation is equal 1. That compulsory we can use for each and every options. The compulsory mandatory field. What the purpose is called? Anyone coming to your channel, they click here, they will be subscribe your channel notification purpose. So don't forget this option. Okay. Now where you can show the formats. Video discovery. Here is that. You can show the desktop, easily find out. So mobile, YouTube, video discovery, only mobile or desktop? Only for mobile users. So that is I'm showing for desktop also. I'm clicking this option. Next will be you can click for in-stream option here. But in-stream working for mobile and desktop also. For video discover ads only suitable by the mobile users. The video discover ad form will be appear on the YouTube mobile homepage when used in the a video action ad. See clear? There is the option only for mobile. Here we can give to the call to action required. Call to action nothing but add your phone number. Just add the phone number. So I'll show ad how we can show to the customers. This ad here is the number. Here headline, long headline, description and everything is compulsory mandatory field. So here one question is there. Sir, you're adding for so you're adding for what? YouTube link. In YouTube place can I add a website link? Anything you can add it. No worry about that. Anything you can add it here. Now everything is ready. So complete will be campaign will be finished. Campaign type first, conversion purpose, daily budget selection, and where you can show your ad, location selection, language selection. First step, ad group, standard are we can selecting for one by one. Ad group, responsive or standard, first option. We can selecting for everything, demographic, audience selection, keyword selection, topic, everything will be coming to ad group. Last one, placement selection is a major key point role for each and every video. You can target, but anybody asking one question. So can you target one particular video into particular channel? It is possible when you're creating for video marketing campaign, no other campaigns, only for video marketing campaigns. So finally, you will be start create the campaign. First of all, we can confirmation everything is the particular options are here and start the continue to campaign here. Finally, you set the campaign create will be success will be done. Date, no mention date, locations, languages, campaign goal, bid strategy, inventory type, and click for continue to campaign. So this is the way we can creating for campaign each and every ad group option with a particular audience to show your ads every YouTubers. The final one is called to get the customer from YouTube to your website and your channel. So anybody we can doubt about this video ad and the video action campaign, please ask me. I definitely will be support this is like a channel. Comment me on the particular comment box.